Is your Mercedes C-Class ignoring your iPhone when you plug it in for CarPlay? Data shows that 80% of connection issues are caused by faulty or non-certified cables. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get you back on track. Start by testing a verified cable and ensuring your phone settings allow CarPlay access. Check your phone for debris in the charging port and make sure your software is fully updated. Most fixes are simple, but if the unit remains unresponsive, it might require a dealer firmware update. Costs range from the price of a new cable to significant dealer labor for module repairs. If it still fails, delete both the car and phone profiles and perform a fresh pairing. Keep compressed air handy to clean your ports and use a scanner to check for hidden system codes. Remember that infotainment systems sometimes just need a full sleep cycle to reset their internal handshake. If these steps did not work, it is time to visit your local Mercedes service center for a diagnostic scan.